The optimal range for plant growth is 5.8 to 6.2. We'll rinse the sensor at the bottom of the pH pen and turn it on before getting a water sample from the Farmstand and testing it. If your Farmstand isn't running, activate your pump to circulate the water. Reach into the tank opening to collect some water with the pH test scoop. Place the sensor in the pH test scoop, stirring gently for 30 seconds to get an accurate reading. If your water is in the 5.8 to 6.2 range, then rinse the sensor on the pH pen, turn it off, and put the cap back on. If it is above the 6.2 range, we'll need to lower it by adding more of our pH down. You'll need your pump to be on when adding liquid pH down to help mix it in with the water. If it isn't already running, then start a pump test. You'll add different amounts of liquid pH down depending on your pH levels. For example, if your pH is between 6.3 to 6.5, then we recommend starting with 5 milliliters of pH down using the pipette and adding it to the tank. Or, if your pH is above 6.5, you can draw 10 milliliters of pH down using the pipette and add it to the tank. These recommendations are just starting points, so it's important to take note of how your water reacts to the liquid pH down. Once you know how much or how little liquid pH down that you need to get your water in range, you should dose based on your own experience. Let your pump run for 5 minutes to make sure everything is thoroughly mixed, and then test your pH again, repeating these steps until your pH is within the optimal range.